Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on the place you are watching. For greeting with your time, guys. Welcome to God Glory Happy Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Ciao ragazzi, buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera. Dipende dove tu stai guardando questo video. Io salutavo come vostro adesso benvenuto a God Glory Happy Kitchen, benvenuto nella nostra cucina. Oggi facciamo caramella di Nutella. Today guys, we want to make candy, Nutella candy. Ingredients we need just only 2 ingredients, very easy. We need 2 pop pastry. As you can see, depends on the quantity you want to. You can easily use one. This is, as you can see it now, so already set and our Nutella. This choice, this sugar powder to put for you up to decorate after set and done, you know. If you don't like sugar powder, don't add. So it's only just 2 ingredients like this. Ingredienti che servi per quello caramella di Nutella: abbiamo 2 rotoli di pasta sfoglia e Nutella, basta. Zucchero a velo per decorazioni sopra se vuole. Chi non piace zucchero a velo non metti neanche. So we have to slice our post pastry. Adesso tagliamo il nostro pasta sfoglia. Go like this. Then we now go like this. Like this. Just take our spoon. Prendiamo il cucchiaio. Open our chocolate. Take spoon. Prendiamo il cucchiaio. I can't give you quantity of Nutella chocolate. You can add the quantity you want, guys. It's a choice. Just easy candy for breakfast, you know. So just like this, you can use any quantity you want. You know the quantità di Nutella. Voi potete usare quantità che vuole, accetta. Non è che devi usare tutto il barattolo. You don't have to use all the, because this is 400 grams now. You don't have to use all. But if you wish, there is a choice of a thing, you know. So just like this, very easy to prepare. Okay, the way I do this first one is the way we are going to do the other one. Come io ho fatto questo, noi l'altra rotolo così. So we have to take our, and come like this. I take this part, go like this. Okay, so you can see. Then we have to bring it like this. Just twist it. So you can see, this is our candy, Nutella candy. We have to do all like that. Noi devi fare tutto così. Portiamo qua così e prende, because of the heat, it's melting now like this. Take it like this, just like this. So you can see the candy, the way I do it. So we have to do all like this. E noi devi fare tutti così. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. It's very easy. This candy is very easy to do, and so yummy. So noi fa tutti così. We're finished doing our candy, so we have to take milk. This choice, you can easily use egg to brush you up, or use milk as I'm using it as well. Abbiamo finito fare il nostro caramella. Adesso io metti latte sopra. A scelta questo latte, tu puoi metti uova o albume o tuorlo per sopra. portiamo forno statico 180 gradi per 10 o 15 minuti. Now we have to bake it 280 degree for static normal baking oven for 10 or 15 minutes, depends of your oven. We'll be right back, guys. Our candy is set. We have to leave it to red for a minute or 2 minutes. Il nostro caramella di Nutella è pronto, lasciamo raffreddare per 2 o 1 minuto. Guys, our Nutella candies is set. If you like, as I said before, this is a choice. You can easily put sugar powder on the up to decorate. If you don't like, you can easily leave it like this, eat it like this. Il nostro caramella di Nutella è pronto. Se vuole, come io ho detto prima, scelta, potete mettere zucchero a velo sopra. Se non piace zucchero a velo, fa niente, solo per decorare sopra, just like this to decorate it up. Do you like this Nutella candy? If you like this Nutella candy, just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. If you already subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. We'll see you on my next recipe on my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless. Ciao ragazzi, se piace quello caramella di Nutella, cosa stai aspettando? Dai pollice su e non dimenticare per iscriverti al suo canale se tu non ancora fatto. Se hai iscritto qua prima, grazie a Dio di benedicato. Ci vediamo nella nostra prossima ricetta, ci vediamo nel nostro prossimo video. Grazie a tutti. Divido quello di video con i vostri contatti su Instagram, su TikTok, su Facebook. Grazie. Io fa vedere com'è dentro. Let me show you the way it look like inside. Sunyame. You can see inside Nutella. Vedi dentro com'è. Wow. Very, very hot. Bye bye. With my next recipe. One love to you guys. Bye bye.